What's up guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. I surprised little Riri with, I don't even know how to say the brand, CARUSE or CARUSE, I don't know. We're gonna go with CARUSE because it sounds better, but who knows. We got the AERO flap version 2. So super excited to get this installed on this boring looking rear end over here. So this is before. So needs a little update, you know. Pretty simple install. Don't take all the tape, God.
You told me to take the tape off.
No, I didn't. I said take the wrap off. Anyways, she already messed it up. It's all just two-side tape, so it's gonna be super easy to install. This is the before. Alrighty. And just like that, she is on. As I was saying, super easy to install, just two-sided tape. So the difference between version 2 is they cut it off here, so there would be no piece there. So version 1 is like that, but I didn't like it, so I got the version 2. It looks good. Just a nice aggressive little lip there. It's a nice angle. And the thing I do like about him is he tests it aerodynamically, so it is functional. Probably not as crazy as you'd think, obviously, but it is somewhat functional, so that's pretty cool. And that's about it. Are you happy?
Yes, I love it.
Sure. Jeez. Alright guys, so that's gonna be a quick video. Thank you for coming back to watch another video. And
Peace.
I screwed it up again. I will catch you in the next one.
Peace. Do I sound like you?
Oh god.